Hi out there, how are you doing? Today I want to talk about something that used to happen to me all the time when I worked in the design field. When I would be presenting to clients, there was always one person in the room that you could tell was trying to draw attention to themselves. It usually wasn't the primary decision maker, but as a result, they kept asking questions that just really derailed the conversation. So here's a suggestion that I used to use that I hope will work for you. It has 3 parts. So the first part is, when the person asks the question, don't ignore them or belittle them or give them any attitude. Instead, number 1, acknowledge them. Second, give them a reason why you can't answer the question right now. And 3, give them a way to follow up with you. So here's what that looks like. They're asking questions, and maybe about a second or third question I can see what's going on. And so when they ask a question, I say, 1, you know what, that is a fabulous question. Thank you for asking that. Acknowledgement. 2, you know what, I'd love to deal with that right now, but I can't because we've got a lot to get through and only a short window of time to do it. 2, so that's the reason I can't follow up with you. And then 3, here's my business card. You can send me an email or give me a call. I'd love to follow up with you and get this question resolved. Really simple. In 90% of the cases, I will never hear from that person. But in the meeting, it mitigated the frustrations, it got me to be able to move forward with what I wanted, and got that individual to be acknowledged. Everyone's happy. So, next time you have one of those continuous questioners in your meeting or presentation, try this technique. All right, good luck out there.